Hey everyone, so Shotcut Video Editor is a great alternative if you are used to CapCut, and now CapCut is not fully free anymore. There are a lot of features that is behind the paywall. One of it is auto captioning. So how do you do auto caption on Shotcut? I will show you in this video example. So I have this project. So first you go to Subtitles. Click on this icon. It says detect speech and transcribe. First you need to download a standard model. So the default one here is very good already, so just press OK, and then it will extract the audio, and then it will be followed by processing the speech to text. Now we have the subtitle ready, and then you can check one by one the text here, and then if there's anything, you need to fix the text first before exporting it to the timeline here. And then to put it on your timeline, which means creating a hard subtitle on your video, then you click generate text on timeline. Alternatively, you can also export it as SRT file, which is the standard subtitle file. So let's go to generate text on timeline. So the default subtitle style, I'll talk about this later. Meanwhile, we press OK first. So now we have the subtitle ready. Let's try to play it for a while. Yeah, so that is the subtitle that is already generated. And I have another tip for you. Especially if you are making short videos, you don't want the text to be very long like this one. So you want to limit it to certain number of characters in this case. So we will delete first the subtitle here and regenerate it again. So on the layers here, we need to delete the subtitles as well. So you select everything and then just press delete. Okay, now we are back. Let's generate again the subtitle, but this time you choose the maximum line length. So the default of 42 characters here is quite long, which means that still Shotcut will cut it word by word, so it will not prematurely cut the particular word. But if it's a short video, then you are bound to the tall aspect ratio. So typically I will set it to 10 characters. Okay, so now our subtitle has been generated. So remember, just now we set it to 10 characters maximum. It looks like this. So on these subtitles, I'll show you an alternative way where you can style the text of the output. So you go to option here, you go to burn in subtitles on output instead of generate text on timeline. So you click on that one, and then here it will go to the filters tab, and then on the output, so we can here set the position and the font. Okay, first maybe we want to bring it a bit upwards, so we are making it closer to the center like so. And then second, we want to change the font. I would suggest for you to pick a Google font because it's free for commercial use. So one of the good one that I use in my projects is called Rubik from Google. So you can see here the license. It says that these fonts are licensed under open font license, which means you can use it for digital, commercial and non-commercial purposes. So let's get this font and install it on our computer. So once you are done extracting, you go to the static font and then right click and then install for all users. Now with all that font already installed, then I will come back here and set the font again. Hopefully now it'll be shown. So if it is not shown, then you need to restart this Shotcut. Okay, now I have restarted my Shotcut. So you come back to the font here and your font should be appearing already. So the name is Rubik just now. You press OK. Yeah, now it looks good already. So this kind of caption should be good to be used for short videos already. And that is all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.